over the next few days there will also be some fine and dry weather. A ridge of high pressure then for tomorrow, but at the moment we do have a cold front, and that's moving steadily southeastward. The satellite picture show how that's moved southeast during the course of the afternoon. Ahead of that though, some fairly warm sunshine in the southeast, temperatures 12 or 13 degrees. Increasingly bright too in the northwest, but this is much cooler air and temperatures about 6 or 7 with a fair number of showers. The radar also picks out these bands of rain. That's the cold front. They're going to be pushing their way steadily southeast, I think, through this evening and overnight. The showers will continue in the north, but those clearer skies in the central section there, they're going to be pushing further and further southeast as the night goes on. So by the end of the night, most of the country will be dry, just those showers up in the far northwest. Now with clearing skies, temperatures are really going to drop, so quite a cold night. Frost as far south as South Wales in towards the South Midlands, and as far north as the eastern parts of Scotland. Too much wind in northwestern parts of Scotland, and probably too much breeze too across those southeastern parts of England. Now a ridge of high pressure really dominating the scene through Thursday, so it looks like being a fine dry start with a good deal of sunshine. That's the way it'll stay across many areas. But up in the north and the west, a next weather system coming in, bringing thicker cloud, but the rain I think holding off until after dark. And after the chilly start, temperatures will pick up reasonably well, probably about 11 or even 12 degrees in the sunshine in those southern parts of England. The winds starting off the day quite fresh, so it will be a chilly morning in the southeast, but they're going to die down as the day goes on. But conversely, at the other end of the country, in the northwest, the southerly winds once again will begin to freshen, and by the end of the day we could well see gales in some exposed parts of western Scotland and Northern Ireland. That's because this next weather system will be swinging in during Friday. Again then, a cold front pushing its way southeast, but as that moves away southeast for many parts over this coming weekend, a ridge of high pressure, so once again back to that dry weather. Some detail then for Friday. Most southeastern areas will start off dry and stay fairly dry through the day, but a belt of cloud and rain pushing its way southeast, again followed by brighter, breezy weather with some blustery showers. But for many of us, with that ridge of high pressure on Saturday, dry with some sunshine, just some wind and rain up there in the far northwest. That's it from me. Bye.